Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. It's Eki. If it's your first time seeing me, you are welcome. Today's video is a full face makeup using affordable makeup products. So stay tuned while we go right into this video. So now I'll be drawing my brows quickly. I'm outlining the bottom part of my brows using the Debbyluster brow pencil in dark brown, and then I've outlined the top of my brows as well. I'm filling it in using the same brow pencil. So I'm brushing through just to see the space where I need to fill in. I'm using the LA Girl Pro concealer in warm honey to clean the bottom part of my brows, and then I'll be cleaning the inner part of my brows using the fawn, and then I'll use the same fawn to clean the top of my brows. Now I'll be cleaning the concealer that I use in cleaning the part of my brows just to blend that into my skin, and then I'm using the same fawn to create a base for my eyeshadow, and I'll be pressing that into my eyelid, and I'll be using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder just to set the eyes so you won't have any creasing. So I'll be deepening my crease using the Tara pigment palette. I'll be taking the deep pink out from this palette to use. So I've already gone into my crease with a dark brown from the Debbyluster eyeshadow palette. So I'm just going to be using this deep pink to deepen my crease. I'll be using a circular motion to blend out my crease color. You need a small amount of eyeshadow at a time, because if you use too much at a time, you might find it difficult to blend it out. And then I went back into the dark brown because I felt I've lost the color, so I just went back into the eyeshadow and blend it out. Now I'm going back with the concealer to create a base for my lid color. I'll be blending that out, and then I'll be setting it using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder because I don't want my eyeshadow to move. I'll be picking the light pink shimmer shade from the Debbyluster eyeshadow palette, and I'll be applying that to my lid. So I'll be going back into my crease using the pencil brush I used earlier. This is just to blend the lid color and the transition color together so there will be no harsh lines or demarcation. I'll just be blending and blending till I'm satisfied. If you feel that the transition color is not coming out the way you actually want it to be, you can still go back into your palette. And then I went back into the brown color I used earlier from the Debbyluster to blend my crease. So the next thing is skin. I'll be cleansing my face using the micellar cleansing water from Nubanbeauty. Remember I said we are using an affordable makeup brand for this video. So the micellar cleansing water I use is 899 naira, and I'm spraying my face right now with Kiss Beauty Fix Spray. And I prime my face using the Pond's primer. I'm just working that primer into my skin. And then I'm going to be erasing my pores using the baby skin pore eraser from Maybelline. So guys, I'll be leaving all the products and their prices down at my description box below. If you want to see that, do check that out. So I'm using the Nubanbeauty in my skin foundation in W7 as usual for my skin, and I'll be blending using the Magic Professional Cosmetic Beauty Sponge to blend in my foundation. This is a lightweight foundation. If you're flawless skin or you have a spotless skin, it would definitely work better for you. But if you have dark spot like me, you can definitely build it up by using up to 2 pumps of this, because that is what I do. And if you want to see how I cover my dark spots, let me know at the comment section below. I'll be glad to do that for you. So I went back to the foundation just to cover up some places that I needed to cover on my face with the foundation. And now I'm spraying my face using the Kiss Beauty Setting Spray, and then I'll let that to dry down a little bit, and I'll go over it with my beauty sponge. I'll be highlighting my face using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Honey, and then I'll be contouring my face as well with Chestnut from LA Girl Pro Concealer. So I'm blending my highlight out. I'll be blending this section by section. I'll be blending the highlight first before I'll blend the contoured area. So I'm just taking my time to blend. I don't want the highlight and the contour to mix together, so I'm just blending that out section by section. And then now I'm using my buffing brush to buff that product into my skin. This process, you don't need to rush it at all. Just take your time, blend your contour properly, blend your highlight properly. Do not rush your blending, because this takes time. It might look very easy on camera, but that is really not true. You need to take your time and blend your contour and highlight properly, so that there will be no demarcation, no harsh lines in between, so you just have everything blend out seamlessly. So I went in with the beauty sponge I use in blending out my foundation. I just want everything to look like one and to look like skin, so I'm blending that out. And now I'll be setting with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I'll be setting all the areas that I just highlighted, just to keep the place matte and keep it in place. I'll also be setting my contour with the Maybelline Fit Me in Cappuccino. This is also a drugstore product and is very affordable. So I'm just setting all the contoured area on my face right now. I'm setting the contoured area using this regular brush. You can get this brush from any makeup store close to you. All the brushes I'm using for this video or in this video, they are affordable brushes. You can get that in any makeup store that is close to you. And I'm using this angle brush from City Color in E03 to set the size of my nose. So now guys, I'm back to the eyes. I'm using the transition color I use for my crease to smoke out my waterline, and then I'm just taking it to the outer corner of the eyes a bit just to connect it to that eyeliner that I drew, and then I'm taking it back and forth just to see that everything is smoked out nicely. And then I'll be using this Zaron mascara to pick my lashes, and I'm also going to be using it to pick my bottom lash as well. So I'm popping on some lashes right now. So guys, I'll be doing an ombre lips using Ever Beauty lipstick in dark purple to outline my lips, and then I'll be going into the middle of my lips using the matte velvet lipstick from LA Girl in Beat Me. So then I'm spraying my face again with a fix spray just to get everything together. Just before my face dry down completely, I'll be adding some glow to my face with the Nubanbeauty The Glow palette, and I'm going to be using the Starstruck and the Dazzle in the palette. So guys, if you've not seen my other related videos, check the description box. I'll be leaving the link right down below. Yeah guys, this is the final look. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment right down below. Let me know if this video was helpful, and also let me know at the comment section what looks you want me to be creating using an affordable product. If you've not joined the family yet, please subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss new videos. Stay safe, stay blessed, and stay beautiful till I come your way next time. Bye guys.